So this compressor we're going to take apart, fix it, and get it back out onto site so that it's ready to go when the guys need it. So first of all, we're going to take this apart, take the casings off, get things cleaned up as well, and see what we can do as far as getting this thing cleaned up. I also need to clean my desk up because I have been doing a lot of repair jobs on some of the tools to get the tools up and running. It's just that time of year to fix things and to get things actually back in working condition. So I'm missing a couple of things here, but let's see what we can do. And then there's that screw too. This will get us loose at the tank. What's going on here? I've got to fix this cord. You can see that right away. The compressor's fine, the engine's fine. Taping off the tool generators, or not generator, but the compressor's information. Same with this one. So this one hasn't been done in a long time, I can see that. Because otherwise... So I'm going to leave this and see if this changes at all. Because this goes down, then we know we've got a leak somewhere, and then I've got to address this and this one back here. Okay, this thing, we just power washed it. This is the next day. Just because I wanted to see if it would actually hold all its air to make sure there was no leaks and everything from everything we just fixed. So just got it power washed, it's all dried off. When we were power washing, I noticed that we had missed a couple screws. So let's get those in and get this thing back out onto the truck for the next job and next site. I've tagged it, our inspection date as well, so that we know when we're looking at things. I took the old one off. It's on the video there when I was power washing. I took the old one off just to make sure that we're all up to date. So it's one thing we like to do. There we go. It's all nice and set. This is now good to go for site. I did put the bit back on here just because I could change it to a bigger bit, but I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it as is And there we go. She's ready to go back on site. That's a wrap for this DIY. If you don't know what you're doing, don't attempt it. Take it somewhere that they know what they're doing for repairing your tools. And there are tools as well that we don't know what we're doing, so we do take those and get those fixed. But that's it for this DIY. Don't forget, subscribe right there. Talk to you later. Thanks for joining us.